Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 330 Outrage 2019. And let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by twin 350 Mercury Verados. Phenomenal engines for this boat. Very powerful, very quiet, very little vibration. Gets it right up on plane. Fantastic. We've got a sun top here, which gives you an extra shading for the back. So let's hop on board and take a look at the rest. Here we are on board the 330 Outrage, and let's start at the back of the boat. And if you're out, if you're not fishing today and you just want to go out for a ride, go to the beach, go to dinner, lunch, that type of thing, you've got a nice fold-down seat, which is very comfortable right here. You have opposing seating here, so the table goes right in the middle. Nice for just hanging out on the boat. But if you are going to fish, you just pop this up. Now you got a nice leaning post, rod holders across the back here. Very large live well down in here. As we move over here, you've got a dive door. It's good for a lot of things. It's good for boarding when you're on a floating dock. It's one level on and off, very easy, very safe to get on and off. Good for fishing, bringing the fish in, and good for swimming. Nice strong ladder to get in and out of the boat. Great feature. Here, the comfortable seat. We have a second live well in here. So two different kinds of bait, plenty of bait. You'll never run out. So plenty of room there. And then you got a prep station right here. Cutting fish, bait, that type of thing. Fantastic. So we move around to the helm. We've got two large 16-inch Raymarine screens, the Axiom series. And I got a fish finder going here. You've got the active trim, which you can set your settings for the engine trims. A lot of times I use it at 3, but whatever. Every boat's a little bit different, but it's a nice feature. You got the vessel view and digital throttle and shift. And then the joystick gives you I can go sideways on this boat. I got full control of docking this boat at all times. Skyhook keeps it in one place, and then autopilot, fantastic, getting you where you're going to go in a straight line, gets you there quicker and less fuel. So as we move to the cabin, you can see it's very large. So it's got a window in it. It gives you extra light, fresh air, lots of storage, vacuum flush head, and it's good storage for the ladder. And up to the bow, very comfortable seat here. In large storage. So you can fit anything. It's got sun top. The sun top covers are in here. And then you can put rod storage. And this is a nice place for the teak table. It's completely stored away there. And as you see, the sun top is up here. And lastly, nice comfortable lounging area here. And the recessed windlass back there. So no trip hazard. So if you want to fish, you can walk all the way around with all the non-skid on here. It's fantastic. So this boat is going to get you, can still bring in the backwater, so it's just shallow draft, but when it comes to deep water, taking big water, this boat will do it very well as well also. So if you've got any questions, you want to know more about it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.